We're finally up to day 8 of our mini quilt for Advent 2023, and working with my templates from Carolina Moore Patterns. We've got a trapezoid. I'm loving all my official geometric terms as a former math teacher. This she's calling it a half hexagon, but this is a trapezoid, and we are going to make a 4-color block pairing our trapezoids with some triangles to make our finished diamond block. So what color combinations would you like to see? I've done some two-tone blocks, and I think I need to mix it up a little bit today. Let's see what we can come up with. 8 is our half hexagon, and it's time for some red, so I will put this guy right in here for I'm noticing I'm not cutting real accurate. I think that will be fun, because then I'll bring this dark green down. Okay, so there's part of it, and then we will do line that up on both pieces of fabric, so we can do this cutting job a little faster. Okay, so those will go with my half hexagons. Day 8. Gives us these half hexagons, our trapezoids and triangles that turn into a beautiful diamond. And again, I've got kind of a monochromatic two-tone version going there for day 8. Are you looking for more holiday crafts with fabric scraps? Check out this video next. I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next block in our Advent mini quilt. See you soon.